just by pouring coffee on the paper towel. You'll be surprised by the outcome. My distant ancestor taught me this, and today I'm going to show you. It's a pretty simple trick, but I assure you, it will be extremely helpful. I am sure you've never used paper towels in this way, and never seen anything as amazing as this. But when they discover what it's for, I'm convinced they'll do it right now as they watch this video to the end. To start, we'll need a roll of paper towels. Just one sheet of the paper towel should be left as straight as possible, no more. Stretch the paper with your hand. Now we need coffee, but before adding the ground coffee, move it away from the paper's edge. For that, just measure a finger's distance and add 2 tablespoons of ground coffee, leaving the coffee as if it were a straight line. Then, we add clove. About 15 cloves on top of the ground coffee. Now we fold the paper. It's crucial to fold all the paper. I guess you're eager to know what it's for. I'm about to tell you, and you can't miss it. Finally, we need toothpaste. Here, I'll use this white toothpaste. Spread it all over the paper, front and back. That's it. Now we just light the 2 sides of the paper and we have finished making our mosquito repellent. We don't need a glass bottle. We can do it anywhere. After lighting it, don't let it burn. Just keep it lit. If it goes out, just blow on it. Do you know what it's for? I bet you're really curious. What we've just made is a wonderful repellent for all types of mosquitoes, like mosquitoes, bees, wasps, and even roaches, and some types of spiders. This repellent eliminates 100% of all flying insects, especially mosquitoes. That smoke is very powerful. The function of the toothpaste is to suppress the burnt smell of the paper. When bugs encounter that smoke and the scent of clove, they end up dying or leaving. The smell of cloves, along with coffee, is very strong for insects and coffee. Coffee, besides having a wonderful smell for your environment, helps to scare away insects because of its concentrated aroma. This trick is simply fantastic. A few days ago, my family and I couldn't sleep well because of mosquitoes and other flying insects, and this idea saved us. This trick seems like magic. You turn it on and they disappear. You can leave it anywhere in your home.